normal class, so normal nga function. Okay, so ang atong nahibaw-an about functions, so we have f of x. So dili na ta sa vectors ha. So we have f of x, like example, x squared. Okay? So for the function of more than one variable, so pwede ta mag-write as f of xy. So like example, x squared plus y squared. Okay? So kaning f of xy is x squared plus y squared. Pwede ni siya na to i-write as z is equal to x squared plus y squared, and then we can draw this using the katong mga quadric surfaces in which ma-apply to ang three-dimensional space. So, dili na ko mo sulod og graphing kay na-discuss naman nato sa I think last month na discussion. Okay, so this is the definition of the function of n variable. So we have w, which is equal to f of x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3 up to x sub n. So if one variable, so we have f of x sub 1. So mao na to ang hibaw-an nga f of x. If two variables, so ang naka-indicate dire, so we have f of x sub 1, x sub 2, in which pwede na to siya i-write as f of xy. Okay? So if 3, so we have f of x, y, c. So ang x sub 1 to x sub n diri class mo ni gitawag og independent variable. So the w here is the dependent variable. Okay? So for evaluating of functions, so for the one variable, so we have like example f of x equals x squared, and we solve for f of 1. So ato rang i-substitute ang 1 sa x. So we have 1 squared, which is equal to 1. Okay? So for more than one variable, so for example, we have f of xy, which is equal to the square root of 25 minus x squared minus y squared. And then we need to find f of 3 negative 4. So ang buhaton ani class kaning x ilisan na nig 3, ang y ilisan og negative 4. So that's why we have f of 3 negative 4 is equal to the square root of 25 minus 4x. So we have 3. So 3 squared minus, so for y, we have negative 4 to the power of 2. So simplify. So we have the square root of 25 minus 9 minus 16, which is this is just equal to 0. Okay? Another example, we have f of u 3v. So ang x atong giilisan og u, ang y atong giilisan og 3v. So mao ni siya nga ang x squared nahimo siyang u squared. And then the y squared nahimo siyang 3v squared. And then we simplify, so we have the square root of 25 minus u squared minus 9v squared. Okay? So try answer the letter A. We have, if you have g of x, y, z, and then this is equal to x cubed minus 4yc squared. So solve for g of 1, 3, negative 2. So I will give you 5 minutes to answer. So time check, it's 5:11. So balik ta at 5:16. So if you're done, send it to our group chat. Okay, so I think nanay nag-answer, no? So the correct answer for letter A is negative 47. Okay, so we have uh, g of xyz is equal to x cubed minus 4yz squared. And then we need to find g of 1, 3, negative 2. Okay? So, for this given, so ang atong i-substitute plus for x is 1, y is 3, and then z is negative 2. So, we have 1 cube minus 4, y is 3, and then z is negative 2. Okay, so this is 1. And then 4 times 3 is 12 times negative 2 squared, this is 4. So 12 minus 4 is 48, in which this is equal to negative 47. Okay, so try letter B. So solve for G of 2A, negative 2B, 5C. Okay, so the answer of letter B is 8A cubed plus 200 BC squared. Okay, so we have G of 2A, negative 2B, 5C. Okay, same given, we have x cubed minus 4yz squared. So our x is 2A, so to the power of 3, minus 4. Our y is negative 2b, and then our z is 5c to the power of 2. So 2a to the power of 3 is 8a cubed. And then we have this is plus 8b times 25c squared. So 25 times 8, this is 200. So we have 8a cubed plus 200 bc squared. And this is the final answer. Okay, so try letter D. So solve for g of 4y, 3z, negative 2x. Okay. So for letter D, so the answer is 64y cubed minus 48x squared z. So ang x diri class for this given, dilisa na to 4y, and then y is 3z, z is minus 2x. So we have the x cubed, so nahimo na siyang 4y cubed, and then 4, and then y. So, gi-substitutan og 3z. And then the z is minus 2x. So, we have 4 times 3z, we have 12z. And then negative 2x to the power of 2 is 4x squared. So, uh, simplify. So, we have 64y cubed minus 48x squared z. And this is the final answer. Okay, so for the composition of functions for the one variable, so we have f of g of x. Okay, so example, we have f of x is equal to x squared, and then g of x is like 2x. Okay, so ang f of g of x, so this is f of g of x. So, ang atong first i-solve class is ang naa sa sulod in which it is the g of x. So, we have f of, so atong g of x is equal to 2x. So, we have 2x to the power of 2. So, which is equal to 4x squared. And this is the final answer. So, this is for the one variable. But for the two variables, ang mahitabuan ni class, we have f of g of xy. So, this is equal to f of g of xy. In which, si f diri class 1, so single variable, si g mao ang uh, two variables. Okay? So, dili siya pwede nga ang duha ang two or more than one variable. So, if naa po kay three variables, so isa ra na. So, it's G. Okay? So, for example, we're given f of t which is equal to ln t and g of xy is x squared plus y, and then we need to find h of xy if h is f is equal to f of g. Okay, so here we have the h of xy is f of g of xy. So by definition, f of g of xy is equal to this form. So, ang first natong isolve class is the g of xy. Okay? So, the g of xy, so this is given. So, it's equal to x squared plus y. Mo na nga, ang g of xy atong gilisan og x squared plus y. Now, we evaluate f of x squared plus y given that our f of t is equal to ln t. So meaning, ang t diri class ato siyang ilisan og x squared minus x squared plus y. Muna ang nahitabo diri ang t nahimo siyang x squared plus y, so we have ln of x squared plus y. Okay? So for the three variables or more, so this is the generalization of composition of function of n variables. So we have ang f diri is a single variable and then g is the n variables. So the f of g of x sub 1, x sub 2 up to x sub n is equal to f of g of x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub n. So, si Jira ang ma-change. Okay? So, siya ra ang more than one variable. So, kung unsa ang gihimo nato sa two variables, so the same sana siya sa three variables. Okay, so try to solve number 1A. So, if f of xy is x minus y, g of t is square root of t, h of s is s squared, so find f of g of x, h, y. So, if you're done, send it to our chat. Okay, so the correct answer is the square root of x minus y squared. So, very good for Michaela and Clark. So, that's all. We have f of xy is x minus y, and then g of t is square root of t, h of s is s squared, and then we have f of g of x of h of y. Okay? So, first class, ang atong isolve is this one. So, ato ra ni siyang substitute, no? So, since we have g of t, which is the square root of t, so, ang t, ilisan na natong x, so we have the square root of x. Okay, next we have the h of y. So for the h of y, so ilisan na ning s na to y, so we have y squared. Now, we evaluate f of square root of x, y squared. So ang x, ilisan na tong square root of x, ang y, ilisan og y squared. So we have the square root of x minus y squared. And this is the final answer. Okay, so try letter B. So solve for g of h of f of x, y. So if you're done, send it to our group chat. Okay, so the answer for number 2 is x minus y. Okay, so we have uh, g of h of f of xy. Okay, so first class kaning naa sa sulod ang atong i-evaluate. So we have g of, so this is h of f of xy. Okay, so here we have the f of xy, so this is g of h. Ang f of xy, we have x minus y. Okay, next, we solve for h of x minus y. So our h of s is s squared, so we have, so ilisan na rin nato ang s of x minus y, so we have x minus y squared. Next, so we have g of t, which is the square root of t. So ang t, ilisan na to og x minus y squared. So we have the square root of x minus y squared. So simplify, we have x minus 1. Okay? For number 3, the same lang siya answer, which is x minus 1, y. So try to answer number 2. So find h of xy if h is f of g, where f of t is e to the t, and g of xy is y ln x. Okay, so nanay naka-answer from BS Stat 2A. So it's equal to x to the power of y, or x to the y. Okay, so we have f of t is e to the t, g of xy is y ln x, and then we need to solve for h, which is, this is equal to f of g. So this is f of g of x, y. So this is by definition, so we have f of g of x, y. So first, we evaluate ang sulod. So we have y ln x. Okay? So we have f of t, which is equal to e to the t. So atong ilisan ang t of y ln x. So we have e to the y ln x. And then, nanay property ang ln, nga ang y, mahimo na siyang exponent. Okay? So, naa po na another property sa ln nga, if you have e and then to the power of ln, this is equal to x to the y because the natural log and the natural exponential function is inverse to each other. So naa na siya property nga if f and then we have the inverse of x. So this is just equal to x. So kani mao ni ang x to the power of y. So if ever nga nakalimot mo sa mga properties no. So for the natural log, so we have ln ab. This is ln a plus ln b. ln a over b. This is ln a minus ln b. And then we have a ln r. This is ln r to the a. And then we have ln e is equal to 1. E ln x. This is x. Okay? So, sa kaning example, ang x diri is ang x to the y. So, mao na nga, ang e to the ln x to the y is equal to x to the y. So, this is the final answer for the value of h, so which is equal to f of g of xy. Okay, question? Okay. So since you don't have questions, so let's proceed to another topic. So actually nani mga solution dire. Okay, so ang pinakalasan is the graph. So dili na ko mo discuss sa graph kay it's because ato na ni siya na topic dito sa three-dimensional. Okay, so now we have the limit of a function of more than one variable. So before we will start the limit, so let's have the definition of the distance between 2 points in Rn. So meaning, so kani class, mauni ang general formula in finding the distance between 2 points in Rn. So depende kung unsa ang n dire. Okay, so kung kani, the absolute value of x minus a. So this is just it's a, so nagrepresent ni ani nga graph. Okay, so this is the one-dimensional. So for this one, kaning x, the distance between x, y, and x sub 0, y sub 0 is we have this. Okay? Next, so kani in terms of three-dimensional. Okay, so kung mag-add na po kag upat, another one nga variable. So pwede ra ka mag-add ani og w minus w sub 0 to the power of 2. So mura ra po siya kung napaka sa vectors, this is the magnitude. Okay? So we have the open ball and the closed ball. Okay? So when we draw a ball, so this is the radius. And then sa kaning nga given class, this represents the A. Okay? And then the P here, this represents the some points sa this one, no? So ang buhaton ani class, ang open ball, so ang points naara siya sa sulod. So meaning wala nilabot ang boundary o sa gawas. Okay? So kani nga point or this point or this point. So for the close, so appeal ni ang boundary. Okay? So naa sa definition nga ang distance kuno between P and A is less than R. Kaya ang R is the radius of the ball. So kung mag point ta dire, like example, this is point P. So ang distance between ani is gamay ra gid siya compared to the radius kung open. Okay, based sa definition. Pero kung close, appeal ang boundary kay awa. This one, so mura ra gyapon siya the radius. Or another one, dire, na siya sa gawas, mas dako siya sa radius. Okay? So mao ni ang definition for the closed ball. So open, so ang naara siya sa sulod. Walay appeal ang boundary. Close, appeal ang boundary, so appeal pud ang sa gawas. Mao na definition. So for the limit, so ang atong gi-consider diri is open ball. So we have here, so this is the definition of the limit of functions of two variables. So kung naata sa one variable, so we have the limit of f of x as x approaches a is equal to L. Okay, so this is the definition of the limit. So ang formal definition of the limit, so we have for any epsilon greater than 0, there exists a delta greater than 0 such that if x minus a is less than delta, so then, so the distance between the function minus the limit is less than epsilon. Okay, so for the limit of a function of more than one variable, so we have for any epsilon greater than 0, there exists a delta greater than 0 such that if this is the square root of x minus x sub 0 plus y minus y sub 0 is less than the delta, then the absolute value of f of x minus the limit is less than epsilon. So if we write this in terms of kaning form, so we have the limit of f of xy as xy approaches x sub 0, y sub 0 is equal to L. Okay? So, ang difference sa class, we have ang f of x, single ni siya. This one is two variable. And then here, siguro siya 1 point na diri kay 2 na siya, no? Ordered pair na ang sa ubos. Another term for this, kani, f of x goes to L as x approaches A. So diri, we have f of xy goes to L as xy approaches x sub 0, y sub 0. Okay, so this is the definition of the limit. So here, kaning this is the definition of the limit of function. So of one variable, and then this one, this is of two variables. Okay? So kung musud po kag three variables, so mag-add ra ka dire o plus plus c minus c sub 0 squared, and then dire, xy ni, function of xyz minus the limit. Okay? May question? Okay. So, unsaon man siya pag-evaluate, no? Actually, class, kung giunsa pag kuha ang limit sa one variable. So, the same rason siya sa pagkuha sa two variables. So, ideally, more on mag-substitute ra ka sa limit. Okay? So, example, we find the limit of like x squared plus 2y plus 1, like as xy approaches like 3, 2. Okay? So, ang buhaton na class, when we evaluate, so ang x, ilisag 3. So, we have 3 squared plus 2. Ang y, ilisa na siya 2. So, plus 1. So, this is equal to 9 plus 4 plus 1. So, this is equal to 14. Okay? And then another, we have the limit. So more on substitute tradition, we have x cubed plus 2xy minus y. So as xy approaches 1, 3. Okay? So ang x, ilisan na nag 1. So we have 1 cubed plus 2 times 1. Y is 3 and then minus 1. So this is 1 plus 6 minus 1 which is equal to 6. And this is the value of limits. Okay, question? Okay, so musulod la ta gamay og proving pero dili lang ta ipareho ni sa BS Math. Ang kuan lang ani is you know kung giunsa pag ang reason behind no kay it's more on like finding the limit. But in proving, so ni-exist na ang value sa limit. So like example, this one, the limit of 2x plus 3y as xy approaches 1, 3 is 11. So ideally, nag-substitute rata like 2 times 1, we have 2, plus 3 times 3, we have 9. So 2 plus 9 is 11. Okay? So, ang way sa pag-prove ani class, kay ato na to i-use ang definition. So we have katong mag-start tag for any or for any epsilon greater than 0. So we have there exists a delta greater than 0 such that so this one. So ang nalahi ra ni ko i-write balik ha. So for any epsilon greater than 0, there exists a delta greater than 0 such that if so the square root of x minus x sub 0 square plus y minus y sub 0 square is less than the delta, then we have the distance between f of xy minus the limit is less than epsilon. Okay? So, ang buhaton ani, we prove that the limit of 2x plus 3y as xy approaches 1, 3 is 11. Okay? So, ang pag-write ani sa proof, so, dapat naagi tay assumption. So, dita pwede mo dito og solve. So, we have, so, kapihon ra ni nato. So, for any epsilon greater than 0, there exists a delta greater than 0 such that if, so, the square root of x, so, kaning x sub 0, mauni siya ang 1. Okay? So, mag-change ni ang x sub 0 depende sa given. So, plus y minus, ang y sub 0 is 3. So, mag-change siya na depende sa given. So, atong i-prove nga ang f of xy, so we have 2x plus 3y minus, ang limit is 11. So, dapat less than epsilon. But, of course, we need to show nga less than epsilon. So, saon man, first, mangita tag way nga ang x maka-factor tag x minus 1. Ang y maka-factor ta og y minus 3. So, okay, so we have 2x. Okay, unsa man ang ato ang i-pair nga constant nga maka-factor tag x minus 1. So, it's minus 2. Kaya kung mag-factor tag 2 dire, so we have 2 times x minus 1. So we have copy ang y. And then ang mahabilin, so we have minus 9. So dapat, og iimo ni siyang i-add, equal ni siya sa minus 11. So minus 2 minus 9 is negative 11. So we have, so i-factor, so we have 2 times x minus 1 plus 3 times y minus 3. Okay, so natay gitawag og triangle inequality nga ang absolute value of a plus b is less than or equal to the absolute value of A plus the absolute value of B. So we have this is less than or equal to 2 absolute value of x minus 1. Ito lang ito. So this is less than or equal to the absolute value of 2 times x minus 1 plus the absolute value of 3 times y minus 3. Okay, so we have a property nga the absolute value of 2 is 2. So this is equal to, so remember ha, less than or equal ni siya. So equal ni siya, so it is wrong. Kay ni gamit matas ni apply ta og triangle inequality. So this is 2 absolute value of x minus 1 plus 3 absolute value of y minus 3. So ato ang goal ani is dapat maabot tag epsilon. So ato ni siyang i-compare no. So we have ang x minus 1. So ang x minus 1 can be written as, so this is the square root of x minus 1 squared. Okay? So here, if mag-add ta og some constant like plus c, and then c is restricted to greater than equal to greater than or equal to 0. So kung mag-add ta ni plus, so ma-change na ni ang sign, dili na ni siya equal. It should be greater than, so mas dako ang x minus 1 squared plus c kaysa sa the square root of x minus 1 squared. Kay nag-add man ta og constant nga greater than or equal to 0. So ang idea, ato ning ilisan ang c of y minus 3 squared. So sure man ta nga this is positive because of the power of 2. So this is either greater than or equal to 0. Okay? So sure ta nga ang square root of x minus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared is dako pagid siya or equal to x minus 1 squared. So mo equal siya kung ang y minus 3 squared is 0. Okay, the rest, mas dako ni siya, no? And then, based sa ato ang assumption, so kaning nasa ibaba mo nang importante ni siya ang assumption, this is just less than the delta. So another, we have the absolute value of y minus 3. So same lang hapon ni process, we have the square root of y minus 3 squared, in which this is less than or equal to the square root of x minus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared, which is, this is less than the delta. So, this is less than or equal to because ang atong giad, which is x minus 1 squared, is greater than or equal to 0 bisag unsay mong x because of the power 2.